An AirAsia flight bound for Tawau from Kuala Lumpur was diverted to Kuching after a snake was spotted inside the aircraft. AirAsia Chief Safety Officer Captain Leong Tien Ling said, as rare as the incident on Thursday evening was, it is something that happened from time to time. He added that appropriate action was taken to get the reptile out of the aircraft before it rerouted back to Tawau. It was unclear how the snake got into the aircraft or if it belonged to any of the passengers. No one was injured in the incident.